Hi there, in this tutorial, we'll be talking about add-on domains. The question is, what is an add-on domain and how is an add-on created in the cPanel? My name is Alice and I will be taking you through this tutorial. Let's get started. First of all, what is an add-on? An add-on domain is a fully functional domain that can be created within your cPanel. This add-on domain is a new, unique website hosted in the new folder on your account. This allows you to host several domains in one control panel. This takes us to our second part of the question. How is an add-on domain created in the cPanel? Before we begin, please note that the domain name to be used as an add-on should be registered. Log into your cPanel, scroll down to the Domains section and click on Add-on Domains. This takes you to the Add-on Domains page. Enter the domain name in the New Domain Name field. Please note, the subdomain and document root will be created automatically when the domain name is entered. The domain name I want to create as an add-on is the shdemo.com. So, I will enter that in the New Domain Name field and click on Add Domain to create the add-on. If successful, you get this feedback. But if you receive a feedback like this, instead of add-on for your domain name has been created successfully, it means the domain name is not pointing to your hosting account. To solve this problem, open a browser and visit intodns.com. Enter your domain name in the search field and click on Report. This will provide DNS configuration details of your domain, including the name servers your domain is pointing to. Now, let's check and compare with the name servers of the hosting account. Log into your email. Open the welcome guide email for your hosting service purchased from StomaHost. If you didn't receive or can't find this email after purchasing a hosting service, please contact our support team and request we resend your hosting account welcome guide. Scroll down to the hosting account name server section and check the name servers for your hosting account. Compare to the add-on domain name servers from the intodns.com results. My add-on wasn't created successfully because my domain shdemo.com is not pointing to my hosting account name servers, so I will have to change the name servers to proceed. This process may vary depending on where your domain name is registered. To update your domain name servers, log into your StomaHost client area. Click on Domain. The My Domain page opens. Click on Manage beside the SSL status of the domain you are creating as add-on. The Managing Domain page opens. On your right, under the Manage section, click on Name Servers. The Name Servers page opens. Copy the correct name servers from your welcome guide mail and paste in the fields provided. Click on Change Name Servers to successfully update the name servers for your domain. Go back to your cPanel. Click on the Go Back. This takes you back to the Add-on Domains page. Re-enter the domain in the New Domain Name field. Click on Add Domain. Finally, your add-on domain is successfully created. Click on the Go Back. This takes you back to the Add-on Domains page. You can now see that the domain has been added as an add-on. Now, let's check the File Manager to see the directory created for our add-on domain. In the File section, click on File Manager. The File Manager interface opens. On your left, click the public HTML directory. A directory has been created for your add-on domain in the public HTML. This is where your website files for this add-on domain will be saved. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.